have a quick check round. Yeah, we'll get going there. It's nice and clear. So we're doing a bit of driving on the high street, interacting with other drivers and pedestrians, cyclists if they're in the way, you know, going around them safely. And we'll just see what crops up. So we're just going to do 2 vehicles. Take my time because the people crossing, and I've got loads of parked cars there on the bend, which makes it a little bit trickier. So I'm just going to take my time, not going fast because it could be a car coming up the road. I'm going downhill at the moment. Looking down the road, oh, it's clear at the moment, so I'll carry on. Now, we've just seen that car then, frosted window. If you're not sure how to defrost your windows, then I'll try and find a video to put on top for you. So we're just taking it down here, and at the moment it's clear. There's a, oh, is he going to go around? Oh, I thought he was going to go for it. Oh, he's sticking out a little bit. Yeah, for a second I thought that Waitrose van was going to go for it, and dropped to second gear, look at the road, checking my mirror behind me, give myself a door's width. At the junction, I'm going to be going left, but I'm going to bring myself back in here first to let the car get out of my way, pop it back in first. Check the mirrors to pull out. Give a door's width again. I'm going to go left, centre mirror left. Checking what's going on. Getting the position. Giving way to the traffic on the right. There's traffic lights there, pedestrian lights, but they're not in use because no one's there at the moment. And then in the bottom of the high street, there's a mini roundabout, and we're going to go right, going up the hill. So centre mirror right, signalling right, giving way to your right, and just bringing the speed down. I can see it's going to be 20 when I turn, so I'm getting down to a lower gear, taking my time. And there's some roadworks ahead of me, which is interesting. A diversion. This is definitely interesting. So we're doing a diversion. I don't know where it's taking me. There we go. So I'm just going to slow down for the lights. I'm just going to get on top of the speed bump. What I don't want to do is stop at half on the speed bump. There we go. I'll give plenty of space for anything coming through that's big. I'm going to go handbrake neutral a second, just wait a few seconds. So yeah, there's a pedestrian crossing there, but they're all coming through at the moment. So it's like, at the moment, when the red light shows, you've got to wait, so I'm waiting patiently. That's it. Checking what's happening behind me. At the moment, they're all waiting like me. Nothing we can do at the moment. I'm going to bring myself a little bit closer. I'm waiting. There we go. Checking the mirror to pull out. And then just be careful when you go past something narrow, because you don't want to kind of catch them cones, but at the same time you don't want to kind of give them too much space and hit the curb. Just taking my time, going over a speed bump, quite a big one. That's a bit bumpy. And we're going to follow the road ahead at this mini roundabout. There we go. That's fine. It's quite a bumpy high street actually. If you're wondering where I am, by the way, it's Newport Pagnell. There was a sign a few minutes ago. Let this guy get out of the way. And we're going to do a left turn before them pedestrian lights. So we're going to check our mirrors, centre mirror left, signalling. It's pretty quiet. It could be the cold, you know. And bringing it round. As I'm looking down the road, I can see it's a one-way street. There's a sign. It's a bit narrow between the cars and the curb on the right. And taking me time going down here. I'm not going to go fast because let's just say someone opens a door on the left, or if I clip the curb, I'm going to bounce into the car possibly. So I don't want to go fast for that reason. And also the temperature, it's 2 degrees at the moment in the sun, but you can see quite clearly in the shade it's frosty. And if you get a frosty patch on the ground, there's a risk you're going to skid. So I'm just going to take my time, no rush. I can see the warning triangle on the left warning me that it's going to go to two-way traffic. So I'm going to make sure I stick to my left side after this bend. And then we're going to go uphill. And there's a mini roundabout there. Actually, the sign. We're going to go right at the mini roundabout. So centre mirror right. Bringing myself into first gear. Checking to the right. It's a bit hard with the sun. Yeah, a bit of power to get uphill. That sun's quite blinding. So I'm just going to put the sun visor down a second. Got a better view then. Sun's hidden behind the trees, but behind the houses, trees, the houses, I should say. And I'm just gonna, it's one of them town centres where you can't go fast. I mean, it's only 20 miles an hour, but you can't really go fast even when it's quiet, because it's like speed bumps, turns, all sorts of things. So like the Christmas decorations are out. Be interesting how it looks in the evening. And we're gonna go down the high street actually. We're going to go down the high street. So we're going to go ahead at this little mini. We're just going to take our times. See, I would have thought that this would be quite a busy high street on a Saturday afternoon. And I mean, today, surprised me it's quiet as it is, but that's good. You know, that's the look of the draw. So sometimes when you're driving around somewhere, you can go and it's just packed because something's on. Or other times you can go down the same street, same time, same day, and be a bit quieter because of maybe something's on somewhere else, or the weather conditions is making people do things differently. And we're just going to follow it down here. So looking down that side road at the moment. We're just going to do a left turn down here. Centre mirror left. So you can see a bit of a one-way street sign there going on. So I'm just going to bring it round. And I've got to go back round. I can't go left, so I'm going to follow it back round there. Taking my time. It's a little bit narrow. Let's follow it down there, yeah. It's looking pretty narrowish road here. Lots of park. I can't see very far ahead of me, so I'm just going to not rush. I'm just going to bring it around here. Have a look. Yeah, it's definitely narrow. Looking right up the road for cars coming. I can see a no entry on the right. After the bend, so I've just got to make sure I don't go down that sort of road, haven't I? It's a double parked cars in a bend, going slow, no rush. Got to go left. There's a one-way street sign reminding me. Avoid this little bit of a pothole second. That's a bit of a ditch. That I'm going to go left. I'm just going to stop and just check what's happening on the right. Nothing's coming through, so I'm fine. I'm just going to go wide to avoid this curb on the left, bringing it round, following a one-way street. I'm just going nice and slow, not rushing. And this is what could happen. You could take a wrong turn on a town centre somewhere and thinking, where the hell am I? That's fine. Just take your time, don't rush. You don't know what's around the corners. That's it. Oh, that's like the cars are going right, so that's where I'm going to go. And then the hidden curve on the left there, sticking out. Centre mirror right. I'm going to go here. It's come back to two-way here, it looks like. Checking what's going on. Yeah, it's remembering two-way, one-way. Otherwise, you're going to just pull out and get clipped like a car flying past then. Second gear, it's reminding it's still 20 miles an hour. And then we're going to do a right turn at that junction there, I think. Centre mirror right, signalling. Oh, you can't go right, it's closed. Centre mirror left. As I said, that's in the diversion sign, and then there's a road closure on the right. So I'm just going to give way to track car. Coming through, pop it in first gear, yeah. And then set me time. Now it looks a little bit wider here. Well, I'm still going to be a bit cautious because I can't see past that bend. Yeah, yeah. That's what you've got to do. You can't suddenly speed up too much. It'll be dangerous. There we go. It's good. So I'm just going to pull in on the left here. Centre mirror left. Taking me time there. So that was an interesting one, wasn't it? I went down the high street. Well, went up the high street, then started coming back down, then went on a side road, which took me a bit of a merry-go-round for a one-way system where it was all narrow roads, parked cars everywhere. But the trick is, take your time, don't rush, don't panic, keep looking at the road for signs that are going to help you. Okay, good luck on the roads. I hope this quick video helps. If it does, fantastic.